turn that light over here. I'm trying to see what Herschel's doing.
You know you can't let Steve's friends see you.
Oh, Haley, they won't notice I'm not Francine. They're 13. They'll never take their eyes
I think he's happy as hell, though, to be in this cage.
I promise I'll help you find a safe way to socialize with humans.
That'd be great.
I think he likes his bedding.
It's like a prison except without the thrill of a daily cabin study. Did I say thrill? I meant fear.
You should see this.
Thanks.
He's good, but he's no Smith. Sun was in your eyes. We took that one. You weren't ready yet. You weren't ready.
He thinks it's like a big digging hole. Like he's having a blast.
Sandwiches for my big sluggers. Steve, I put yours in the blender so you don't have to chew.
Thanks, Mom. And thanks again for hanging out with me today,